Oh, is this MTV Cribs? Is this my dying YouTube channel? Oh, why didn't you say so? Come on, I'll show you around. Before I show you the house, I'll show you my ride. This is a 2000 Chevy S10. Picked it up on Facebook Marketplace for super cheap. It's a work truck, it's a surf truck, it's whatever the fuck. Come on in the cockpit. Pretty luxurious, as you can tell. It's got a few custom pieces around here, so you can just kind of build your own truck. Got two surfboards on here because those are mandatory in Hawaii. Perfect island vehicle. For those of you that don't know, I moved to Hawaii recently, more specifically Oahu. And first thing I did was order some island cruisers. Got a black one, my boy Kyle has a gray one. It's the best way to get around the island. Let me give you a little sample. All right, let's check out the place. We got the laundry outside, Hawaii style. Had to keep some boots out here because they get muddy from the hikes. Got some snorkels out here. Let me take you inside. And this is the crib. This is a Norwegian guy we got sleeping on our couch now. He's our new roommate. His name's Alex. Say what's up. Right when you come inside, we got Kyle's bathroom. Kyle's actually behind the camera right now. Say what's up.
Hello.
Okay, it's not about you. It's not about you. Take your shoes off if you're wearing them. They're optional, of course. Got some boosted boards here. Got to keep the toys around. Get some mosquitoes in here sometimes, but we just fuck them up. And this is the main living area. We got the kitchen over here. This is the most expensive part of the house, the fridge. This probably doesn't look like much, but in Hawaii, this is like, I don't even know how much. We got water, we got vitamin water, beers, whatever you need. We got Jack, we got Coke, mangoes, fruits, acai, live off this stuff. It's honestly my most prized possession. Keep some protein, try to be healthy around here as much as we can. And here we got my bathroom. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Sweet shower curtain. And then got the PS4 set up and this sweet entertainment system we got going on. Obviously we're wealthy. 50-inch flat screen TV. And this room is Kyle's bedroom. Not much going on here. We'll give Kyle some privacy and get out of here. And then the next room is my bedroom, the master bedroom. And this is where all the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens.
This is where the magic does not happen all the time.
You know, everyone says this is where the magic happens.
This is where it really goes down at.
What does that mean?
Nothing.
Over here on my nightstand, got some books. I'm like that. Keep my camera gear and stuff over here. Let me show you my secret drawer, come here. Just some drugs, some condoms, just the usual stuff. And then keep my luggage here. This is kind of all I took to get here. And got a tripod for my camera that I'm not using because we're on the iPhone right now, just to get the wide angle. And then my clothes here, my shoes. This is probably the most stuff I've had in like the last 2 years because I don't live in a van anymore. So get to upgrade my wardrobe, my shoe collection. Got a bunch of storage up here, just extra bags, and I got too much shit now. Camera bag, that's about it. Yoga mat, I'm like that too. And here's where all the magic really happens. This my computer setup. This is where I edit the video you're literally watching right now. You'll probably notice that this place is poorly decorated. That's because it's an Airbnb, so that's why you see the pictures of the horses on the wall, the flowers, whatever the fuck that is. And so I had to give it a little bit of my own taste. Got this cool little sunset light. Had to give some style. Fucker. Technical difficulties. Okay, I had this really cool light and now it doesn't work anymore. Got the whiteboard up here. Try to give me some sense of direction. What the fuck else do I say? And that's pretty much it. It's just a little 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This is all we could afford in Hawaii because shit's super expensive. Oh, there's one more thing I gotta show you. Come on. It's the door. Get out of here. But for real, thanks for watching. This will be the lamest video you'll see so far. Got some cool Hawaii content on the way. Zoom off into the sunset and like motorcycle or boosted?
Definitely motorcycle.
Okay.